So welcome back to the Wolf's Den. Today we're going to look at my Aircrew survival vest. This is a TAC Air G2. I bought from P1 Air Rescue. It's manufactured by Capable Aerial Systems. So check out the P1 Air Rescue site. It is a Molly style vest. The green part is just my crew part that attaches to another strap to keep you from falling out the helicopter. We've got the back centre panel, all Molly. A left and a right panels with Molly attachments. This is the one with the extraction harness. So we can do hoist and ops, short haul, that kind of thing. Be rescued with minimum of ease. You can get it without this, and you can also get a version now where this bottom belt terminates in a rappel kind of harness as well. So we've got a chest mount and a rappel. Along the top, I've got a single bladder life jacket operated by this pull handle here, and then it's broken down into inside and outside essentially. So we're now going to look at what is actually the right side of the vest first. Each side of the vest, you don't need these extra pouches on. Obviously, I do search and rescue, I do tactical advice, I'm an instructor, so I can find myself very quickly over a multitude of environments. But the key of this vest is, on the inside, we have, on both sides, a set of trays. These are actually fastened by press studs, so we can remove them. And it's two-sided. So in this back zip pocket, I literally have some plastic bags to create tree stills and a melamine survival sleeping bag. And then on the front in the elastic pouches, I've just got 3 sachets of emergency drinking water, each in an individual Ziploc bag and attached by a lanyard. It's easy to take water, but it's really hot. So I've ditched any gear out this side and carry extra water, which I wouldn't normally do. Hence I've had to put another pocket on the outside. So that lives on the inside. The next pouch we have is this kind of general service one. In here, again, attached by a lanyard. This would normally be on the inside, but I've got water. This is a UK military go pack, all vacuum sealed. So we've got, put them in the right order, part A, B and C. Part A, we've got unlubricated condoms, tampons for fire starting, not for wounds because they don't work, water purifying, fire starting, cotton wool, that kind of thing. Module B, got a plastic sleeping bag, some like suspender clips to hold tarpaulin straight, paracord, fishing kit, all that kind of thing. And then the last one is just a foil space blanket, designed for space. I don't really like them, but they are beneficial. And they all live in that first pouch, in their own thing. The next pouch, can move this leg strap out of the way so you can see a bit better. This is my, see, we dress to aggress, which is part of our protection. This is my location pouch. So attached to lanyards, we have our ACR PLB, and then 2 pouches. Also in here is a silane safety stick. It comes in a plastic container, just print it getting set off with cord, so when we break it we can swing it around and create singling that way. So the Rescue Link PLB, you can wear these external on the vest, however the sunlight here, it'll probably get robbed, damaged. I keep it in the pouch. The separate pouch has got, this is a North American Rescue marker panel. It's in orange. Everyone knows I hate orange, it should be blue, but I haven't got around to making them yet. And then the last pouch, we have a Firefly Pro, the Solus water activated. I've got a heliograph signal mirror kit and a whistle. So that lives there in this survival pouch. In between these pouches is my SOG revolver knife, which we'll cover on a separate video. So moving that all away, we're now going to look at the other side. So this is my left hand side. On our survival tray on the inside, same design as the other. The mesh pocket, I've just got like a boonie hat in there because of the sun. And as we turn it over, I've got a small packet with insect repellent, sunscreen mix, acetaminophen, band-aids, lip salve, all that kind of stuff. Moving along is these are from the US military Air Warrior system. I've got it's called a tactical wrap, it's a triangle bandage. Use it as a triangle bandage, or we can use it as a sweat rag, wrap it around our ankles, walk through the grass to collect water, use it as a water filter. In there is a one-handed fire starting kit. The plastic bag at the back is a mosquito head net, which we can use obviously for mosquitoes and as a small fishing net. If we look under rocks, we can get shellfish and all that kind of thing. And then the top one is a military issue camouflage cream. Some of the areas we fly over anyway, some of the work we do, protection, we might need to hide. So we have camouflage cream. Moving along, the red beaded handle, I added this. This is the Benchmade J knife. I've done a separate video on that. Fantastic, they replace my trauma shears and they live there. The next pouch is from Chinook Medical. This is individual first aid kit, or IFAK. I really like this pouch. It's attached so we can't drop it. And inside, as standard, we have a tourniquet. This is not my prime actually lives in my flight suit leg. A trauma bandage, Chizazan, gloves, needle decompression, an 28 French MPA, and a chest seal. Next one along is the C Mark II bottle. You may see it's empty. It's because it's off, which is one of our pre-flight checks. And that attaches to the mouthpiece with the protective cover. It's clipped to the vest. So that's just sat ready to go with the hose. Move along. These are available on Amazon. This is the rescue streamer. If you use it and you get rescued, they replace it for free. Awesome. This is the individual. You can get a group one, I think. It's about 25 feet of high visibility plastic with silene light sticks on it, reflective tape, designed so it won't twist and fold in water. It just lays flat to increase our surface area. Can use it on land as well. And then finally, hidden out of the way, it used to be in the pocket. I just find it easier there. I've got a Streamlight right angle torch. It's too bright for use in the aircraft, but on the ground, doing pre-flight walk rounds, all that kind of stuff. Everyone uses a red light. You can't see fuel and oil leaks with red lights. So that's there in case we need it. So essentially, there's quite a bit of kit, but it's designed to keep me for 72 hours. As you notice, there's no food in there. We've got the law of threes. We've got 3 seconds following bad decision, which is why we're using all this. 3 minutes without air, that's why we've got a sea bottle. 3 hours in exchange of temperature. We've got our hats, survival bags. We can make fire. all that kind of thing, water. 3 days without water, we've got emergency water sachets, we've got tree stills, equipment so we can gather moisture from nature. 3 weeks without food. There's no food in here, can catch food, but I don't carry any. I normally eat it anyway. But it's designed for 72 hours because even in the USA with a flight plan, statistically, it's going to be about 46 hours on average before you are found. So that's my vest. It is covered in my book. Woohoo! There are pictures of it in there as well. That's it. Any questions, please post them up and stay safe.